So this video is about colors functionality in Bedrock. At the moment it's a demo, and what you're seeing here are these different colors, and the way that these colors appear here is by way of a file called colors.scss. So you will see that in this file there's a variable called black, and it says 000 as a hex code, and that appears here. So if I were to delete that code, it's gonna disappear from this screen. I'm gonna re-add it. I'm gonna pretend that maybe we have some kind of design project going on, and we have a few colors. So imagine that you have these colors. Maybe you're working in a design project, and you have a color that's maybe called, you call it blue, and this one is called maybe darker blue. Then maybe you have a green in your project. Let's choose sketch green, and I don't really like that green, so let's choose a different one. Okay, and then maybe a darker green, and then maybe we have this color that we will use for errors, kind of like a soft red. So imagine that you have these 5 colors and you kind of want to show them in your color guide here. So let's get rid of these colors that we're not going to use. So I can do that by deleting the colors. And then what I want to do is make a new section. So I will copy this section code and call it my project colors. And then I'm going to define a few variables based on these values. So we see that the hex value for this blue is 4A90E2. So it's going to be blue, and then make sure that it's formatted nicely. If we save that, you will see that it shows up here in my project colors, and I'll continue to do the same for the other ones. So we have dark blue, and we have our green, we have dark green, and then we have soft red. And what I like to do, although it's not strictly necessary, is to format it in a nice way so it's readable. And what you have to know if you're having trouble using the functionality in this file is that it's actually a script going through the formatting of the file and trying to get the different color values from the way that it's laid out. So it's absolutely necessary that you put your color values in hex values, not in RGB, RGBA or something. So they have to be the pure colors. So if I would save this file and eventually, I have an error here. If I would save this file and then go to my project, you will see that the colors show up here. So that's how the color functionality works and how you can customize the style guide to kind of contain your project's colors.